I'm going to show you some more troubleshooting tips and how I hooked up my PIWIS tester 2 and got it working, and we're going to start right now. My name is Aaron and this is Help Me DIY. Welcome to another video. If you are into cool Porsche content and you'd like to learn more how to save some money and do things yourself, this is the right place. Subscribe to the channel, click the little bell notification so you don't miss anything. I just picked this little guy up. The hardware just came in and I'm going to break this video into a couple different ones. This video is going to be how to actually get this thing hooked up and working. I had to do some troubleshooting, and if you have not been able to get yours working, watch this video. Hopefully it will help. This is interesting. Came today, nicely bubble wrapped. In this box it says iCar scanner. And here she is with some black tape on it. Which is funny because when I peel the black tape off, it is the Porsche PIWIS tester 2. So maybe they're not allowed to export these and they have to cover it up. I am not sure, but here are the cables. Looks nice. Let's try it out. Hey guys, Aaron here. I'm sitting in the Cayman. I just got my PIWIS hardware and I'm gonna try it out for the first time. So here it is connected. I just have it in the port down there, and I connected the USB to the laptop. And when I plugged it in, it installed some drivers, but I need it to actually connect to the virtual box itself. So I'm going to click on settings here and go down to USB, and there are no devices attached right now. So I'm going to click on the plus and tell it to add the HSX interface, because that's what it called it when it tried to install it. And it didn't seem to add it. Interesting. Let me try again. Okay. Maybe it'll stay now. I don't know what that was about. All right, now I'm just going to go ahead and not start it from there. Going to start it from our little script down here and just wait for that VM to power up again. If you haven't seen the install, I have a separate video on that. So today I'm just going to try to use it for the first time. Now while this is powering up, I should have a battery tender on here so my battery doesn't die, because I just have the ignition in the on position. But I don't yet because I don't have one of those installed on this car. But very soon here I might go ahead and do that. But if you are not familiar with how to use this, there is another guy that I will put a link to in the description who had a great first usage of this video that covered a lot of stuff, so I don't want to redo all of that stuff. But this is kind of a quick start guide for getting this thing going. All right, the VM just came up. If I hover over the little USB icon down there, I now know that it is connected to the virtual machine itself. And I'm going to start it with the little car icon down here. All right, so I'm just going to diagnostics, Boxster Cayman 987. And it says it's starting this thing up. So we can see we just still have our power flashing. And if all goes well, the USB light is supposed to come on and be solid. All right, so that's what it looks like when it doesn't work. I noticed when my USB, after I saw that down here, it had some errors installing the USB hardware, so let me go investigate that. So I figured it out. Let me show you what I did. It installed my hardware here. So if yours does not install properly, I had some pop-up windows that said it couldn't install it. So you go to Start, you go to Control Panel, you go to System right here, click on the Hardware tab, and then your Device Manager. And under this, you have a lib USB Win32 devices. Click the plus to open it up. And for me, mine just said USB device, and it didn't have this. It was like a generic USB device. So I right-clicked on it and clicked on Update Driver. And go ahead and do it again, see what it says. And then I left this one installed, automatically do it. I just hit next, and it went and somehow found the driver and installed it. So let's try this again. And in the meantime, I went ahead and installed my battery tender up there to keep my battery going. So we're gonna go ahead and turn our ignition back on. Power this up, and we're gonna try to run it again. Okay, we're gonna once again go to diagnostics, diagnostics, Cayman 987. And I don't know what's up with this little glitch here. Just hanging around. All right, we are now initializing again. And oh, USB light just came on. So that's what you want. It's kind of flashing. We're loading our data again. Blast, same error, and our USB went away. So, when in doubt, shut down and reboot. So maybe the USB hardware needs a good little power cycle of our virtual machine. Oh, actually, I just noticed that my ignition is not on. Maybe that was the problem in the first place. So let's try this from the beginning with the ignition on. Son of a monkey. Okay, well, I just hit F8 a few times to try to redo this establish connection. And the first couple times I did it, it just kind of came back pretty quickly and didn't do anything. The last time I did it, it popped up a window again saying that it was installing something. And it took a long time, and I thought that that was going to be the key, but then it just came back here again. So let's try it one more time. So this is new. It's just sitting here trying to establish a connection. No USB light still. Still got our ignition on. Let's see what happens. All right, well, it's just sitting like this for several minutes now. Let me try hit escape and abort whatever this is doing. Stop. Ugh. All right, went in doubt. Kill. Start again. All right, this is getting old. Oh, we got a USB light. Yeah, it's still on. Oh, the USB light is still on. This is very promising. Come on, fingers crossed. I don't remember this from before. Yes! Haha! Success. Awesome. All right, so my PIWIS is up and running. All right, so now just to figure out how to use it. Hopefully that was helpful, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, all that good YouTube stuff, and I'll see you on the next video.